My name is Nchaweni Mukwebo, Managing Director of Johannesburg Water. We're here today in Brixton 2 Reservoir and Tower Complex, where we're launching the new reservoir and tower. It is a 26 megaliter reservoir and 2 megaliter tower. This project, we started with construction in July 2023, and we have been in the process of commissioning it for the last 2 months. And today it's a final launch as the system is supplying in a stable way to the area. This new reservoir supplies the area like Auckland Park, Brixton, Mayfair West, and the surrounding areas. And the advantage that we're going to get from this new infrastructure is that with the old reservoir, Brixton 1 and Tower, we were having about 20 hours of supply in terms of storage capacity. And with this new reservoir, which we have commissioned, we now have about 36 hours storage, which simply means that we're able to have more water in this area, so that even if there are any challenges upstream in terms of supply to the commando system, we'll still be having water that we're able to supply to the residents and the businesses in the area. But I must indicate also that the benefit is not only going to be realized to the community that gets water from this infrastructure directly, but also the entire commando system is going to benefit basically because within commando system we now have more storage dedicated to part of the system, which simply means that the system will end up supplying in a stable way. Thank you.